Nestled on a gentle hill overlooking beautiful 13th Lake lies a one-of-a-kind Adirondack oasis. Garnet Hill Lodge is the ideal place to escape the pace of everyday life and surround yourself with the serenity of nature. The beauty of 13th Lake, which can be admired from countless areas on our property, is yours to be explored. Whether enjoying our private beach, swimming, canoeing, or kayaking, our lodge invites you to enjoy life's simple pleasures, endless outdoor activities, and explore all that the southern Adirondack region has to offer. As the season turns, we invite you to share in the magic of winter, where one can ski on the very same lake you swam in months ago. Our outdoor center serves as our hub of outdoor recreation and adventure. Winter transforms our lodge into one of the best places for cross-country skiing. As you warm up by our roaring fire, sit in peace on our Adirondack chairs, toast to time together, and reflect on the memories made. Discover it all for yourself at Garnet Hill Lodge.